Lucy Town. Oh. Traffic.
The traffic are going?
Yeah.
Look at the ocean, man. Just sitting there. Just sitting there. Just sitting there.
No, isn't that a beauty? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And we are in Montego Bay. Ah, what a view. I think I enjoy working down here. I think I enjoy doing deliveries down this side. Look at that. Nature at its best. The sun now burn me. The whole heap of breeze and the taxi man them. This is just beautiful. And we are pleased to deliver to you anywhere you are. She said she want me to meet her on the beach side. So guess what? I'm having a beer. And I'm waiting. I won't even call her again. Because I'm enjoying this. Look at it. And this is how we do it. Doing deliveries for you all day, every day. Have a good one.